Hello and welcome back to my channel. For those who already subscribed and to all those who just tuned in, my name is Maria. Today we are going to make this newborn mittens, and I will be using this DMC Nitty 4. This is in color cream and my 3.5mm crochet hook. There is a free pattern for this one, and I will post the link on the description box down below, so you can just check it out. Also, feel free to click the subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. So let's get started. To start off, we need to make a magic ring. And chain 3. Now we need to make 9 double crochet for a total of 10, including this first chain 3 that we made. Now we have made our 10 double crochet, so we need to close our magic circle and slip stitch to join. On the second row, we need to chain 2. Our chain 2 will count as our first double crochet, and we need to make 2 double crochet on each chain for a total of 20 double crochet. So our chain 2 will count as our first double crochet, so we're going to make our second, and then 2 double crochets in every stitch. So that will be our repeat until we reach this very first chain. Again, we need to slip stitch to finish our second round. For the third round, chain 2. Again, our chain 2 will count as our first double crochet, and we're going to make 2 double crochets on this very first chain. And 1 double crochet on the next 2 chains. So it will be an increase, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and then your increase again, which is 2 double crochets, and 1 double crochet on each of the next 2 chains. So that will be your repeat until you reach the end. At the end of this round, you will be having 27 double crochets, ending with your double crochet on the last chain, and slip stitch to join. From round 4 to 8, you will just make 1 double crochet on each of the chains. So chain 2, our chain 2 always counts as our first double crochet, and make 1 double crochet in every chain for a total of 27 double crochets. And now we have done 8 rounds, and for our next round, make a chain of 2 and make 1/2 double crochet on the next chain, chain 1, skip 1 chain and make 2 half double crochets on the next 2 chains, chain 1, skip 1 chain and again 1/2 double crochet on the next 2 chains and chain 1. So this will be our repeat for this round. This is the 9th round. To close in, after your 2 half double crochets on the next 2 chains, skip 1 chain, chain 1 and slip stitch on the first chain 2 that we made. For our next round, make a chain of 2, and this is just a simple half double crochet around, including the chain 1 space. So our chain 2 counts as our first half double crochet, so make our second half double crochet on this next chain, on the next chain 1 space, on the 2 half double crochet on the previous round, on the chain 1 space, and now we are going to make our last round. There are 2 ways to make the last round. There is a simple way and there is a girly way. For the simple way, you can just make a chain of 1 and single crochet in every chain. Until you reach the very first chain and then slip stitch and you can cut your yarn. For the girly way to finish our mitten, start by chaining 2, skip the next chain and 5 half double crochet on the next chain. Skip another chain and single crochet on the next chain, skip another chain and on the next make 5 half double crochet. Skip the next chain and on the next make 1 single crochet, skip 1 chain and on the next chain your 5 half double crochet. So now I have done my last round and I'm going to slip stitch on that first chain 2 that we made. And now I can cut my yarn. I have made my string a different color. It's your preference if you want to do the same color. The length of my string is approximately 11 inches. It is more or less 28 centimeters long. I just made a contrasting color. It's up to you if you want to do the same color or if you want to do another color. For me, I made this purple. So I made a total of 50 chains. So I will just take my yarn needle, insert our chain, and we're going to insert on this chain one space that we made here. Alternate. So the same thing we're going to do with the other one. If you want to make the string a little longer, it's up to you. So this is our mittens, and I hope you enjoyed and liked this video. So happy crocheting, everyone. Stay safe and God bless, and see you again on my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe.